Hi, this is the Roland RD08, and some of these electric pianos, when you get on them, they don't sound very good. And I'm going to show you how to make the whirly sound better. This is how it sounds now. So I go to EQ and I boost up the bass a little bit. Maybe a tinge on the highs, put it up a little bit. Go to the effects and put it on mode 1. And then I adjust the delay. Whoop, put it lower a little bit. There you go. Some doors. Um, Let me see. Let me. So I'm going to go to another electric piano. Okay, let me see. Where are we at? Oh God, what am I doing? Okay, so I'm going to go to the first piano we got here, the first electric, which is Tine EPM MK2. So I'm going to put this stuff back where I had it, where it came. Everything's normal now. Let me see the effects. Huh. Effects levels, I'll just put them in the middle. So this is the well, I've got I don't know what I got now. Still got the what's on? Oh yeah, here we go. Bring down the chorus delay. Okay, this is what it sounds like. It sounds like crap when you first get on it. So then you put on the EQ. And I take down the treble. Put up the bass. Take down the mids. I guess it's a little bassy there. Let me take some of the bass off of it. So that's the Tine EPM MK2 after you adjust it a little bit. This thing has some great pianos on it too. This is like the nicest sound of piano. One of the nicest sound of pianos that I got, and it's like a cheap piano. It only costs like 900 bucks. Roland RD08. So give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you on the next video. Let me shut this off.